This lesson we're going to be drawing 5 circles across the canvas area using a loop. You can use loops in order to create multiple lines, so let's go ahead and we're going to select our canvas element and then have it ready to write to it, and then create a for loop within our JavaScript code. So we'll let the value of I equals 0, loop through, so we want to loop through 5 times, increment I by 1, and then this is where we're going to write the code, the drawing code. So we're going to begin the path. So this is the location of where we're beginning the path. And then this is where we're drawing the arc, so the circle. And we can set the circle and we can use the value of I from the loop iteration itself and do an I plus 1. So this will give us a separate starting position for the circle, and then whatever the Y number that we want. So we're going to have it on the same vertical axis, set the radius, set it to about 40. Starting angle is going to be 0, and then we want a full circle, so we're going to do 2 times math pi for within JavaScript. So that will give us a full circle, and then last, of course, we need to draw it on the page, so using the stroke method. So it's going to draw a bunch of circles incrementing by 50, and that draws the circles across the canvas area.